Welcome to Espresso Italia Online. My name is Sean, and although you can't see him, on the other side of the camera we have Damian. Today we're talking about the X Small class, which is one of Seiko's new line of lifestyle machines. The first thing you'll notice, it is small. It has one of the smallest footprints of any semi-automatic coffee machine on the market today. Like any other Seiko machine, water is always on the left. The drag drawer and service door is always on the right hand side. The great thing about these little machines is they've been designed with kitchen harmony in mind. So you will also notice, if I turn the machine around, the plug is small and discreet, so the machine can be used in an island kitchen. The controls are also very simple on this machine. It has two programmable buttons. To program the machine, you push and hold. Let your coffee fill. When you remove your finger, it is programmed to that level. When you want steam, you turn the dial. There's a dial on the front which you turn left. For hot water, straight to the right hand side. This little machine also comes with a Panarello. The Panarello is a great little invention. Now what it does is it sends your steam in 3 different directions. So when you have steam, all you need is about the first centimetre of the Panarello under the surface of your milk. There's no need to move your jug, there's no need to shake or anything like that. All you need is to maintain the temperature or test the temperature on a regular basis to make sure you're getting up to that optimum milk temperature. The Panarello will do all the rest for you in terms of heating and frothing. Alright, let's make a coffee. Now the first thing you'll notice about the extra small when I push the button is how quiet it will be. It's because this little model is equipped with a ceramic conical burr grinder. The benefits of ceramic is it doesn't get hot or affect the taste of the coffee. This model is also equipped with a dual-purpose boiler. So once we've made our coffee, when we switch to steam, we'll have our steam very quickly. Now there are upsides and downsides to having a dual-purpose boiler. The downside, unfortunately, is when we're finished doing our steam, we have to cool it down quickly. So we just run a little bit of hot water through there and it will be fine. So to do our milk, like I mentioned earlier, milk jug straight under there, about a centimetre under the surface of the milk. Turn our dial to the right and you will actually start hearing the milk foaming away now. So once the machine gets up to temperature, we just continue to test the temperature of the milk with our hand. Now, if you've not had a coffee machine before, you may want to look at purchasing a thermometer. Go, and that's about right. So we just move the dial back into the centre. And we have a beautiful cappuccino. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if we go to make another coffee now, it will give us a little red warning light. So what we need to do first is just run a through the machine, and now we're ready to make another cup of coffee. For more information, or if you wish to purchase an extra small, you can find us at www.espressoitalia.com.au.